This is Daddy from Busy Daddy Cooks. Today we are making salt and pepper fried tofu. Let's start with the tofu. You will want to use the firm tofu here that's suitable for frying, and not the soft silken tofu that you use for soups. Cut your tofu up into about 1 inch or 3 cm squares. To give your tofu some flavor, put all of them in a bowl and fill it up with water. Add in soya sauce. Then set it aside for 20 to 30 minutes for the tofu to absorb the soya sauce flavor. Meanwhile, let's prepare the salt and pepper. Put a pan over medium-low heat and add in Sichuan peppercorns and black peppercorns. Toast all this till they are fragrant. Then put them in a mortar and pestle and pound away. Well, actually it's more like grinding. I find that the grinding action works a lot better for peppercorns than the pounding ones, because when you pound them, they tend to fly all over the place. When your peppercorns are in small little bits, add in salt, sugar, and Thai spice powder. Now, to save time, you can use pre-ground Sichuan peppercorns and finely ground black pepper. There'll be no toasting and it will not be as fragrant. You will also need garlic that's finely chopped, ginger that's finely diced, chilies, and green onions. Separate the white and the green parts of the green onions, because you'll be using them separately. Now back to the tofu. After 20 to 30 minutes, drain the tofu off and pat them dry. In a plastic bag, put in corn flour, and baking powder. Give all this a good mix. Then add in the tofu and shake the bag. Your aim here is to lightly coat each piece of tofu with the corn flour and baking powder mixture. To stir fry, put your pan over medium heat. When the pan is hot, add in your oil. A lot more oil than usual, as it takes a bit of oil to brown your tofu. Fry both sides of your tofu till they are golden brown. If your pan is too small, like mine, fry them in 2 or 3 batches. When they are golden brown, remove and set them aside. Leave about 2 to 3 tablespoons of oil in your pan. If there's too much oil, remove it. If there's not enough, add in what's necessary. Next, fry the aromatics. That's the garlic, the ginger, the chilies, and the white part of the green onions. Give this about 30 seconds to a minute till it's fragrant. Then add in your tofu. Sprinkle about 2 tablespoons of your salt and pepper seasoning on top of the tofu. Toss to coat. And we are done. To serve, sprinkle more salt and pepper seasoning on top of the tofu. And sprinkle the green parts of the spring onions on top of it as well. This is salt and pepper fried tofu.